Hello my friends, how's everyone doing out there in the YouTube world? Man, first and foremost, I want to say happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. It is Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, and it is overcast. I don't think it's going to be this overcast, but it is overcast and about 54-55 degrees in the southeastern part of this beautiful state called Pennsylvania. So I figured I'd get out. I need to get fuel in the tank, top it off, because the weather that's going to be coming in the next couple weeks is going to be a little colder than what it is now. So I don't know if I'm if I'm going to be able to get the bike out again. So figured I need to get it filled up. I've already put some Sta-Bil in it, so mix it up with the gas, get it run through the system, and then this way we'll be good to go in case I can't ride for that long of a period of time. So I've actually done something I've never done before with my motorcycles. I went out and I bought me a trickle charger, and I've actually had this bad boy plugged in. I've never put my bike on a charger before, but I figure I've never had a bike with a little flashing alarm system that draws the battery down either. So I figure with that, it might be a good idea to put a trickle charger on this bitch. So that's what I did. So I got me a trickle charger for the Lowrider ST, and it's working out well so far. It has been about 2.5 weeks since I've been out here on this motorcycle. The last time I was out for a short ride with Walt, Simon, and Scott. Met them guys for lunch, and then we went out for a short ride afterwards this way, just to get some riding in, a little bit of riding time with those guys, which was nice. So, we stopped in Valley Forge Park. We took some pictures. Walt made a video of it, so it was good. Had a good time. So that was like 2.5 weeks ago. So it's been that long since I've been on the bike. But I did get my November ride in. My streak is still going. So hopefully December there'll be a warm enough day to get out on this motorcycle and enjoy life. Because yeah, this is a little bit of therapy out here right now. But I'm sure everybody out here that's watching this knows that feeling. So yeah, it rained last night, so the roads are damp. I figured they would have been dried out by now since it stopped raining quite some time ago. The sun was out for a little while earlier, but I guess it decided to go back inside. But yeah, it's been a minute since I've been out. I've been making videos. I got a couple ideas in my head that I'm going to make. I do have some exciting news coming up, which will probably be in my next video. I'll edit this and get this one out right quick, and then I'll make another video of the exciting news that actually some of y'all already know, and some don't. So I will make that announcement soon enough. I love this road. It's so much better if it wasn't wet and have leaves on it. So just want to check in with you guys, let you know I'm doing good. wanted to wish you all happy Thanksgiving. Other than that, nothing else is going on. I got plans for the Lowrider ST. I do have some parts I'm going to be ordering. So, yes, there might be installs. I got a couple things I got to do to upgrade. So yeah, we'll see how the installs go. But I suck at install videos, guys. I mean, I've done one and it was okay, but yeah, it's just, I don't know. We'll find out how it goes. Maybe I'll record it. If it comes out okay, I'll put it out. If it doesn't, I'll just fucking throw it out like I normally do. So, like I said, just wanted to check in. Seriously, happy Thanksgiving, all you guys. Enjoy your holiday. If you spend time with your family, enjoy the time with your family and your loved ones and friends and everybody else you're going to enjoy the day with. So until next time, my friends, please, y'all stay safe. And y'all love one another. Peace.